Hello from Bicycle Casino in Bell Gardens, LA area. New video. This gonna be a mixture of several different informations. We're gonna do some poker hands and some updates and some opinions. Stick around. I'm here more than 2 months on the parking lot of a Bicycle Casino, and I'm so happy that they're generous and let me stay. Poker room is there. I have access close to grocery store, just like a block and a half, walking distance. Everything is fine. Sometimes some RVs show up. You can see maybe in the distance there's one new. He's actually old. He was here like a couple of weeks ago, came back. But 2 days ago, I went to a grocery store and came back, and I found one RV parked next to me, like he's parked there, exactly there. The Bicycle Casino in LA, actually Bell Gardens. Today somebody else came and parked here, and you can see half of a handicap, half of a no parking sign. So I told the guy, I said, hey, you're half of a no parking, half of a handicap. He goes, do you want me to move? So what do you think? Is it even possible? Please comment. Do you think I'm making this up? So check it out. This whole empty space, this huge, abnormally huge parking lot. And he parks half on a handicap, half on the no parking. I am impressed, amazed, stunned. My God. You know, this parking lot is available, but we should, RVers, we should behave. We shouldn't leave garbage behind. Sometimes I go and I pick up some bottles and garbage that may be even from casino visitors, not from RVers, but doesn't matter. Same thing is going to some national park, state park, and acting wild, not obeying the rules, leaving garbage. That's why I told this guy, listen buddy, we have to be, nice. We have a host here that let us stay, so let's not break some rules. And the idiot had to ask me, do you want me to move? I told you in one of my last videos, I told you about TV shows I like, and I want to mention this. Today is Sunday, and tonight is a second episode of final season of The Walking Dead. Walking Dead, the zombie show. I never hated more anything than zombie movies or TV shows, but I even refused to watch this one. Then somehow, in COVID, I'm locked in Palm Springs, bored, there's nothing else. I watched absolutely everything. Okay, let's see what's this about. And it grabs me. I like the show. I like zombies, characters. Sometimes some episodes are too empty and too long, like the villains have too much showing off their whatever mean side, but they had to fill in the all those minutes and episodes, so I understand. Otherwise, I really like it. That's the one. And also, my favorite, the American Ninja Warrior, Monday, tomorrow on NBC. It's 8 o'clock here on Western Pacific time, but finals are starting. There are gonna be, I think, two episodes of finals in Las Vegas. You have to watch that on NBC. Those people, athletes, amazing. And like I told you, the kids, they had the Ninja Junior competition for like 3 years all those juniors that were like 12, 13, 14, now they're 15 and 16, and they made the final in Las Vegas. I'm rooting for kids. They are amazing. That's enough about TV. Okay then, poker time. I played Friday. I came to a casino about 6 o'clock, maybe even 7. Waited like maybe 10 minutes. They open new table. We sit down. Game start. I'm in for 300. First hand, ace, 8 of spades. I was in a big blind. Goes around, bunch of limpers, like I think 6 or 7 players. Flop comes 10 high, all spades. The guy on my right checks. I said, everybody's gonna check, which would be normal when you see like a flush. Then we all have to look in our hand. What do we have? Well, I decided to bet. I bet 11 and they were fold. After that, for 2 hours, I didn't win one hand. So I think I had add-on $100, so I'm in a game for 400. And then I have pocket nines. I was down a little bit, like up down to maybe 200. So I have pocket nines. And there was very aggressive player in seat 1. So I used his aggression, re-raising him. Because flop was 7 high. He bets, I raise. Turn is like smaller card again. Possible straight. He again bets. I make it 100. He calls. River, he checks. I bet that he folds. But I got about 200 in that hand, so that made me even. I was like maybe $10 down. Well then, there was an Asian girl on my left side. She moves to my right side when the guy busted out there. And comes a player in that seat, which is interesting. Think about this now. If she didn't move, she would be in that seat. Do you think that she would play these hands the same way? These 2 hands. It was like 2 hands in a row. First, new player comes, some Asian guy, and he buys in for 100. First hand, he goes all in. I had ace queen, I call. Turns out he had also ace queen, so we nothing. And then these 2 hands. What happened? So it started with my raise 15. Asian guy called. The button called. You see the flop 9, 3, 4. At that moment, I'm satisfied that I am, almost even after playing 3 hours, and I decided to check. Asian guy checks, and button. Turn comes queen, top pair. I decided to trap them, so I check. Asian guy bets 25, button folds, and I, knowing how he easily is ready to push his chips, I just go all in. Didn't take him long to call. He also grabbed money from his pocket and pulled another 100 for rebuy. I said, okay, I'm winning this one. And you know what that thing? That's the trick I learned from my buddy Gus from Madison, Wisconsin. Greek guy, every time he's all in, he pulls his money and he yells rebuy, and he actually wins that hand. I start doing that, and that's actually lucky. At this moment, I said, look at him. He's pulling the Gus trick. Can you guess? Okay. There's no need for excitement. Next hand. Immediately next hand, I'm under the gun and I limp for $3. Asian guy limps after me, cutoff raises to 10. Three of us see the flop. Jack deuce 4. Ha ha! Well, I hope he has Jack 10 again. Let's do this. I check, trapping them again. And at my surprise, Asian guy bets 35. I look at the pot, there's like $23 because at the bicycle they take rake immediately before the flop. So they took $7 for it. He bets 35. I said, this smells more like a flush draw than ace jack or something. So cutoff falls and I go all in. I know him. He's calling. And he did. Turn is 10. I said, I don't know if he has ace jack or jack 10 even, but can he make some kind of straight? What does he need? Ace king of clubs and a queen on a river? No. What we have? Flush. Exit. Stage left. Fuck this game. So recently you saw me talking about cryptocurrency, bitcoins and stuff. A little update. Don't worry, I'm not going to torture you with that, but a little update. Some of my thoughts. How to get rich. Well, they say Bitcoin is going to go like up to 100,000, 200,000, whatever. But right now it's about 50. So that means it can go 3-4 times maximum. 3x is not going to make me rich because how many Bitcoins I can have? One is 50K. So the solution is, like I suggested in one of my videos when I gave you my top 5 affordable coins, the solution is to get lucky, buy early when it's in pennies or even fractions of a penny, and wait for the moment that one moves for 1 decimal point, for 2 decimal points, that 10x, 100x, 1000x, and get a million. One of my favorites, and recently it's kind of trying to prove me right, SafeMoon. SafeMoon is a young coin, started recently and started with like 6-7 decimal zeros. I bought it with I think 5 decimal zeros, and it's going up and down a little bit. But then they announced they are creating a wallet, which is big thing, having a wallet. There's not that many wallets, or each currency doesn't have a wallet. They're creating a wallet. Day for a wallet was yesterday. What happened? Millions of people hit the website to register their wallet, to download and register, and the website crashed. Immediately the coin started going down. Well, it's not that bad. It's already kind of back. But I want to tell you, if you're looking for a lucky coin, SafeMoon. So they're making a wallet. They're going to fix the problem. And having bad server, maybe it's Amazon's fault, not theirs. Now they're announcing they're going to create exchange. So in September, they're going to start listing coins and launch the exchange in October. That will create totally legitimate operation and project. You have wallet, you have exchange. What else you can ask for? Those 5 zeros have to be raised. I have a little over 100 million SafeMoon coins. If we move for 2 zeros, for 3 zeros, for 5 zeros, what if we go to $1? SafeMoon. And now, some explanation. Based on my previous announcement that I'm going on a trip to Europe, some people thought I'm leaving America and asked me what, why, what's going on. No, it's not about Biden. Even it should be. I'm not leaving America. What I said is I'm going for a long-term trip, open, because I got one-way ticket to Europe, Serbia, and I don't know when I'm returning. When's that gonna be? Well, at the moment when I'm annoyed with whatever is going on over there and it's boring, or it's winter and I'm gonna come here to spend winter in Arizona or something like that. So don't worry, I'm not leaving America. So my trip, so I'm leaving for my trip September 9th. And as I announced, we're gonna have a farewell poker game September 4th, Saturday, 6 o'clock in the afternoon. Everybody's invited. Some of my buddies gonna be there, some poker vloggers, some people from Las Vegas, and whoever is coming to Las Vegas for Labor Day weekend is welcome to come, stop, say hi, play a hand or two of poker, have a shot with me, and wish me good trip. Westgate Casino, 6 o'clock, September 4th. There's gonna be, probably we're gonna start with 2 tables, so in order to make sure that you are on the top of the list, you should call the poker room earlier that day to put yourself on a list. Tell to manager you're calling for Mr. Vegas Meetup game. He'll put you on a list. Hope to see you there.